From the mind of Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov.
All right, LX, DLX, I think we've beaten this mule to death. One of these microphones is on, and now the other microphone is on, and quite honestly, there is a big difference. And you're listening to the Bronner VM1/TLM103 model. And you'll have to excuse me because I'm up late and I'm still working on nailing my my voice, my character voice for the pilot session in a few days. And no, it's going great. I'm just taking a little break and losing my mind. So one of the things I want to do is point out the difference between these two microphones. So one big, very important decision-making variable in play. I can't even think of what I'm trying to say. One consideration that I think is important is in the perception of distance from the source these microphones sound. For example, so if I am, let me go back to the LX. So if I have you notice how it feels like I'm closer to you, I'm more immediate to you than it does over here. Here it sounds like I'm across the room. Not a big room, but I'm across the room from you. Here it sounds like I'm right up in your face. I'm like right next to you. I'm as close to you as you are to your phone right now. So this is an important consideration, all things considered. And this may be the most important consideration, is that the ability to get up close like this and make it feel really up close like this does not completely work for me in the same way on this microphone. Now, for example, right? If let's say, all right, hold on. Imagine this. I'm like, hey man, it's all going sideways, man. We gotta get out of here. Right? That sounds like I'm right there whispering in your ear. Hey man, we gotta get out of here. It's all going sideways, man. Come on, we gotta go. That sounds more like a conversation you're overhearing from around the corner or just a little bit of a distance. And that to me, I honestly think that all other considerations aside, this perception of the distance from the microphone to the source, feeling a little bit deeper. It's like I'm playing like a little mouse trombone or something like that. Don't even, you guys. So the whole the ability to get this close and sound this intimate and really very, very right there. Like, I mean, so immediate. I mean, come on, how much more immediate could you be than how this sounds right now? I am the voice in your head. And I'm telling you, play more Chuck Berry. So what you want to do is you want to go and listen to what your microphones sound like close up. And are they pushing you back a little bit in the sound field? Or are they giving you a really surgical, close-up, microscopic, just capture of the beautiful nuance that you're trying to push forward? Or are you losing something? And this past week, as I've been working on my pilot voice, I'm really focusing on these nuances inside of the sound of these mics. And again, I think that you can't go wrong with either of these mics. But for the sake of practicality, I'm not going to keep both of them in the booth. I want to put one at my desk, but I want to put the one I'm going to use the most here. And I do love this. I really like this. And this actually has a certain character to it that I don't hate. I don't not like it. But this is different. this this does feel this feels like I'm like you're listening to yourself think, right? It's more like that. It's kind of like, yeah, why did I do that? I can't believe that, man. How did that happen? Right? So, yeah, why did I do that? Yeah, I can't believe that happened. That sounds like you're talking to yourself. This sounds like the thoughts in your mind, like the that like horrible low voice that tells you to do stuff. And like buy all those microphones, you know. And so there's utility in this in a way that I can't deny. All right. Anyway, I'm gonna go back to working on my character voice. It's late. It's late, and but I'm gonna leave you with this. And I guess we're not done with these mics yet, but I want to know what you think. Okay, nation, tell me your thoughts. All right, until next time. This is Mark Yoshimoto Nemkov, fading to black.